Welcome back, 745. Mediation and arbitration have become a popular way to settle disputes in court. And we've got our legal expert here, Jim Higgins, to talk about the alternative dispute resolution, otherwise known as ADR.
Very good.
What is ADR?
ADR is something that over the past few years has just really taken hold in our line of work.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I started this 20 years ago. No one hardly did it. You just went to court. But really, it's a way to try to avoid a courtroom. It's a way to settle your differences, sometimes early on in a lawsuit. In a mediation, for instance, we hire maybe sometimes a retired judge or the trial lawyer, and we all go to conference rooms, and they try to help us find a resolution, because it's hard. A lot of times as a lawyer, we get as advocates, and we're just kind of bred to fight and argue, so you need someone in the middle to kind of help work it out.
In your experience, when are the times when you would rather choose mediation over, say, going to a trial?
Yeah, well, you know, we more and more with our serious or catastrophic injury cases, those type things, we will usually try mediation because trials are hard. Mm-hmm. You never know what a jury's going to do. I've come out of there feeling really good, and I've come out feeling not so good. You just never know. And so it takes a lot of that risk out. You know, that's true for both sides. So it's good. It takes a little bit of risk from your client. It can save you some cost in the end. And if you don't come to a resolution at a mediation, then you can always go to trial. It's always up to our clients.
What is the difference between mediation and arbitration?
Arbitration is a binding agreement, and where we're seeing a lot of arbitration now is we do a lot, for instance, of nursing home neglect cases, and in a lot of those cases, there will be an arbitration agreement when you sign your loved one in a nursing home. And so if there is one and it sticks, then a arbitrator, a retired judge, lawyer, someone is hired to be that. You present your case to them, and they decide if you win, lose, and how much.
It's a done deal.
Done deal. Yeah. So a lot of those cases, we would rather go to a jury. We would rather have 12 people, our neighbors, our friends, decide what's right. And so in some of those cases, we really fight the arbitration. It just depends. But it is something that really is strong right now in the legal field. We see a ton of it, and it looks like it's just going to increase.
Well, if you have any questions out there for Jim Higgins, any of his other attorneys, certainly give them a call. It's the Higgins Firm, 615-353-0930, or you can personally email Jim, and he will answer it, right?
I will.
JSH@higginsfirm.com. Thank you so much. Good
Thanks,
seeing you,
Nick.
Jim. All right, take care.